Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we will begin with the lesson number 1 of your class 1 science, that is living and non-living things. You know, there are two types of things that are living and non-living thing in this world. So the things which can breathe, that have life, are known as living things. The things which cannot breathe, they do not have any life, are known as non-living things. So let's begin with this lesson. Chapter at a glance. In this chapter, we will study about living things, natural and man-made things, and non-living things. So, can you name any 5 things that you can see in this picture? You can name as bird, kite, human, girl, boy, tree, plants, grass, table. So, some of them are living and some of them are non-living things. The things that we see around us can be categorized into 2 different types, that is living and non-living things. जो भी चीजें हमें अपने आसपास दिखती हैं उनको हम 2 categories में categorize कर सकते हैं. क्या होती है वो? That are, one of them are living things and second of them are non-living things. There is much difference between living things and non-living things. बहुत difference होता है किसके बीच में? Living things के बीच में और non-living things के बीच में. Living things can breathe, they have life, but non-living things cannot breathe, they do not have any life, like chair, table. And living things like human, animals, plants, they all are the living things. Now, let's talk about living things. Plants, animals and people are living things. क्या होती है living things? Plants हो गए, animals हो गए, people हो गए, they are the living things. All living things have some unique features. सब living things में अपना एक unique feature होता है. Let us study about them. Living things eat, living things move. Living things have young babies. Living things can grow on their own. Living things can breathe. Living things can feel. Yes, living things के क्या होते हैं? अपने babies होते हैं. Like hen is having their babies. And living things can grow. Yes, plants can grow from seed to a big plant. Living things can breathe. Yes, आप breathe करते हो ना? Living things can feel. You can feel things. You can feel emotions in yourself. But non-living things cannot feel their emotion in themselves. So, now here is the non-living things. Non-living things क्या होती हैं? Car, table, chair, book, pencil, bag, stone, bricks, etc. are all non-living things. क्या होती है? सारी हमारी non-living things होती हैं. Non-living things are not born. जो non-living things होती है वो born नहीं हो सकती. वो breathe नहीं कर सकती. They do not have any life. They do not grow. They do not need to eat or breathe to survive and do not reproduce. Yes, living things reproduce नहीं करती है and non-living things reproduce नहीं कर सकती है. Living things can produce. Natural and man-made things. Natural की things क्या होती है? जो man-made things की होती है. We can see many things around us. Some of them are man-made, some of them are natural. Natural like plants, trees, water bodies. They are the natural things like mountains. And all man-made things are the furnitures like table, chair, houses. These all are the man-made things. We can see many things all around us in nature. हम बहुत सारी चीजों को देख सकते हैं अपने चारों तरफ nature में. These things are called natural things. क्या कहते हैं इन चीजों को? Natural things कहते हैं. Like plants, animals, birds, etc. are examples of non-living things, while mountains, river, rocks, springs, etc. are examples of non-living natural things. क्या होती है? Non-living natural things होती हैं. Like mountains, rivers, rocks, जो live नहीं करती but non-living natural things हैं. Which is the highest mountain in this world? This is the question for you all. You have to find out which is the highest mountain in this world. Man has made different types of things to make his work easy and simple. Man ने बहुत सारी चीजें बनाई है किसके लिए? अपने जो वर्क को इजी करने के लिए, बहुत ज्यादा अपनी लाइफ को सिंपल करने के लिए. Non-living things like book, train, house, clothes, pencil and paper are man-made things. Yes, of course. क्या होती है non-living things? Paper, pen, house, clothes. These all are the non-living things which cannot breathe. These all are the man-made things. Now, oral quiz. You have to name any 3 living things. क्या होती है 3 living things like plants, animals and humans. These are the 3 living things. Name any 3 non-living things. like table, chair, house. These are the non-living things. Now, on next page, here is the recapitulation of whole chapter. First point, animal, plants and humans are living things. क्या होते हैं living things? हमारे animals हो गए, plants हो गए, humans हो गए. They all are the living things. They are not man-made. These all are the natural. Second point, living things each move, feel, grow, breathe and produce young ones. Yes. जो living things होते हैं वो reproduce भी करते हैं, अपने young ones को reproduce करते हैं. They grow, they feel, they have emotions, they eat, they survive, they take oxygen to survive. Third point, non-living things do not eat. जो non-living things होती हैं वो खाना नहीं खाती. They do not eat. Does your chair eat? No, it doesn't eat. Breathe, feel, move or produce young ones. Yes, non-living things cannot produce their young ones also. They cannot breathe also. Fourth point, natural things are found in nature. कहाँ पे मिलती है natural things? They all are found in nature. Last point, man-made things are made by men. किससे बनती है man-made things? Like man makes the furniture. They make books, pencil, eraser. These all are the man-made things. So, that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.